he told that girl, I literally, okay, I cracked the code. I heard him say to the girl.
Let put it like this.
He was with
Glock.
Georgiana for like 20 years.
I'm talking. You listen.
I am too.
You see your ass down and you listen, Glock.
Okay, you're not making a fucking point.
Bro, he literally say, everybody follow her.
Okay, now you're making a point.
And then
I did say
follow me and Wyezy. And then right after that, he said, I'm giving you what you wanted, woman.
What did she want?
Glock told the girl, I'm going to get you followers. I'm going to get you lead, blah, blah, blah. For some pussy,
and
maybe.
Wyezy, you got
she ain't going to give you no pussy, Glock.
Wyezy both work together.
You are a simp. You getting used. And she not going to give you no fucking pussy at the end of the day. You dumb as hell, my boy.
How do you know, though?
How I know? It's Glock. Who
wants
to give him pussy?
The way you,
nobody.
No, see, you judge. See, you.
See, you.
Look,
He's fucking using a Glock just like every other female in your life that used you. And you don't see the pattern. You don't want to learn your lesson, boy.
I think you just mad because Wyezy listened to me more than you.
But I don't give no fuck about who. He's not.
Got it right there. Got it right there.
He's trying to twist it. He's trying to twist it, bro.
No coming
You're
back.
Evil.
5,
fuck. You're
4,
evil human
3,
being. Fuck.
2,
You evil person.
1,
it's right
0. You out of this bitch.
I see him both sides.
You're gonna get cursed. Look at this shit. Look real good. Yo, Glock, here.
I see what it cursed me though.
You got fucked up, Glock. I'm gonna fuck you too. You're playing with the wrong one. You playing with the wrong one, Glock. What's up?